Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is all about quadrilateral. So, before that, let me introduce myself. I am Rodeline Q. Tayab. So, quadrilateral. What is quadrilateral? So, please, a quadrilateral is a polygon with four sides. Quadrilateral is came from the Latin words four variant sides and latus, which means sides. When we say polygon, a polygon has a flat and a polygon has close. Like, for example, like this, close. When we say polygon, it is close. Then, no curve line. It is a straight line, polygon. So, like for example, like this. It is a rectangle shape. It is a quadrilateral because it is also a polygon because there is no curved line and also there is no cut line. It's close. And for like this. It is not quadrilateral, no? Kaya makita ang ginato nga round iyang shape. Quadrilateral, always remember nga kuan lang siya, straight line, then wala siya curved line, ang quadrilateral. So, ang quadrilateral good is always remember nga there are four sides and quadrilateral. So, quadrilateral have a special types such as parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, and trapezoid. So, these are the types of quadrilateral. The parallelogram, the rhombus, rectangle, square, and trapezoid. So, first is parallelogram. As we can see, this is a parallelogram. This is the shape of parallelogram. A quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel side. As you can see, na siya two pairs na parallel side. Look, this is the parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral. Next is rhombus. As we can see, this is the rhombus. Rhombus. It is a rhombus. A parallelogram with four equal sides. A rhombus has a four equal sides, but each side is parallel. So this is rhombus and it is a quadrilateral. So next, rectangle. Rectangle. This is the rectangle. So, it is a shape of rectangle. Ano yung formation sa rectangle? A parallelogram with four right angles. Four right angles ang rectangle. So, as you can see, no, ma-measure din siya of 90 degrees ang rectangle. Always remember nga, ang rectangle is na ay four right angles. So, it is a part of quadrilateral. Quadrilateral siya because na siya four right angle. So, square. Square is one of quadrilateral. A rectangle with four congruent sides. So, rectangular siya, but is it a square? Kaya siya four congruent side, which means congruent kanang each side is same sila og length. Ang other side ani. Pwede ni siya rhombus, kaya siya four equal side. Pwede po siya parallelogram na siya two pairs of parallel side ang square. Types ni siya sa quadrilateral ang square. Kaya siya four sides. So, next is trapezoid. This is the trapezoid. This is the formation of trapezoid. This is trapezoid looks like. Then, a trapezoid is a quadrilateral with one pair parallel. one pair parallel lang ang trapezoid. Always remember na one pair parallel sides ang trapezoid. Ang trapezoid is part sa quadrilateral kaya naa siya'y 4 sides. If a trapezoid has 2 equal sides, it is called isosceles trapezoid. Pag naa siya'y 2 equal sides, it is called isosceles trapezoid. So, quadrilateral, always remember nga, quadrilateral is, kuan din siya, 4 sides. Pag makita siya tag na ay pa-round, di na siya quadrilateral. Kaya always remember, quadrilateral is a 4 sides. Right? Then, this is the part of quadrilateral, parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, square, and trapezoids. And these are the shape, and these are the properties. When we say parallelogram, 2 pairs of parallel side. When we say rhombus, it has a 4 equal side. When we say rectangle, it has 4 right angles. When we say square, it has 4 congruent sides. And if trapezoid, always remember, now trapezoid, 1 pair of parallel sides. So this is all about quadrilateral. That's all. Thank you.